Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. Reese again. Today our lesson is T.8, follow directions on a coordinate plane. And when you go to 5th grade IXL Math, you're going to see this lesson in T.8. So let's get started. I'm going to do a few of these with you, and then hopefully you'll have the confidence to do the rest of them yourselves. So the first question here, when I pull this up, says you start at 4, 7. You move up 1 unit. Where do you end? Okay, so let's take apart this question. It says you start at 4, 7. This is called an ordered pair, and it tells you exactly where you're going to begin on the coordinate grid. This is the first quadrant of the coordinate grid like we drew the other day. And so the first number of this ordered pair, which is 4, is going to tell us how far along the x-axis we are going to count. So here is our x-axis right here. You can see the little x at the end. And we have to find the 4. It's already counted out the grid lines for us. So here's number 4, and then the second number is 7. The 7 indicates how far up you go on the y-axis, which is right here. So let me find the 4 again. 4 is first. You always find your x-axis first. So here's the 4, and then I'm going to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And if I look across right here, I can see that it is indeed the 7. Here's the 4, and so here is my starting point. Okay, it says you start at 4, 7. Then the question says you move up 1 unit. Where do you end? So I'm not going side to side. I'm not going down. I have to go up. I'm going to stay on the 4. My x-axis is still 4, but I'm moving up 1 unit. And now, if I look across, I can see that this y coordinate is 8. So my new coordinates are going to be 4, I'm still on the 4, 4, 8, and then I submit. Okay, here's the next problem. It says you start at 9, 10. You move right 1 unit. Where do you end? Okay, so looking at my ordered pair, it says I have to start on 9. My x-coordinate is 9. So looking across the x-axis to 9. There's my 9. Now I have to go up to 10. On the y-axis. So counting up to 10, or I can just look across over to here and see where the 10 is. So here's the 10, and there's the 9. There is where I am starting, right there at the top of this grid. Now, it says you move right 1 unit. So I know that this is left and this is down and there's no up on this particular grid. So I'm going to move right 1 unit, which puts me on the corner right here. Where do you end? Okay, so on my x-axis, I've changed. I've gone from the 9 to the 10, but I'm still on the same 10 for the y-axis. So now I'm looking down to the 10 and across to the 10. So my new coordinates, my new ordered pair is 10 and 10. Okay, one more. This one says you start at 10, 5. You move left 10 units. Where do you end? So looking at this ordered pair, I can see this is my x-coordinate and this is my y-coordinate. My x-coordinate is 10. So I'm looking down at the x line, x-axis, and I'm going to 10. Okay, this is where I start on the x-axis. And my y-coordinate is 5. So then I go up 5 to right here. And that's where I start. That's my beginning point. Then it says you move left 10 units. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, I ended up on the 0. Okay, so my new x-coordinate is 0. And my y-coordinate is still 5. Okay, I didn't move anywhere on the 5 or on the y-coordinate. I stayed at 5. So this one will be 5. Okay, I hope that helps. If you have problems with this, please come to our math study group and I can help you further. But I think most of you will probably find this kind of easy. If it's not for you, then please just let me know or let Miss Daniels know and we will help you with this. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.